JUPYTER!
Hey gang! Happy Monday. Actually, it's Sunday night, so technically it's not Happy Monday yet. As you can see, you know where I've been. We are about to have dinner and wrap up our evening. I wanted to sleep in a bed tonight, so we are at the Baronet again, my favorite hotel because the bed is so comfy. Yeah, so we about to get into it, watch some TV, and go to sleep. I will see you guys in the morning. It's been a while since we took a shot on the vlog. We taking baby shots today though. Little baby shot. Tink.
Tink.
Tink. Tequila.
So, at this email.
Oh, Lori's back.
Appreciate.
We love swing blue, even though they usually don't have my size.
But today, they have.
They came 3 eggs. What? She just don't know. Y'all, I just want y'all to know that God is too good. We don't even deserve. Y'all know who called me today on Instagram? Who sent me a message? Also, I'm in the car because we about to smoke. But I can see my breath. That's my breath. That's not smoke. It was just like 50 degrees yesterday. Make it make sense, weather. This an icicle that just fell off the window. Like, what? Oh, I done dropped it. Look at that. It was 50 degrees yesterday. Thai food. Cow pad rice. Tofu. Cow pad rice. Chicken. Watching We've Got a Ghost. Yeah. Happy Monday. I like my tofu. I like my Thai food with pineapples. So yeah, this will be going in my rice. Celebratory cookies. Yes, that is bacon. What's good, gangers? It is Tuesday. What today is? Tuesday. I'm holding this phone so nasty if y'all could see it, bro. All because the light is on this side and I don't want to be backlit, so I had to turn this. It's not a long story, but it's yeah. And it's ugly outside. Why is it gray, bro? I'm tired of this. I need some sunlight. Anywho, I'm just waking up, getting my day started, still trying to upload this video on YouTube, child. It's on 72% now, but it is moving so slow. And I think it paused overnight and it didn't keep going, which is an issue because why did you stop? Yesterday I was having such a rough mental day and I was just going through it with Jupe and just, you know, talking through it in blase splee. And then I randomly get on Instagram. It's giving artist. It's giving creative. It's giving booked and busy. But yes, I'm very much looking forward to this, and I am so blessed to have this opportunity. And the shoot is on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, and I got a single dropping tomorrow. So excited. So this is all just so great. Like, it's just coming together so perfectly. And I really was in my feelings before I got that DM, and I really was just like, what is going on? Why can't I get people to support me? Why is the support so lacking? I feel like I'm showing up my best self. I'm giving the people what, you know, what I have for them, and I'm showing my creativity and what's going on, blah, 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 blah. And I'm just running it off, you know, because you just had them moments where you feel like you grinded and it's not doing nothing for you. And that's where I was at before I got that DM. And it was kind of like God was just letting me get that off. Go ahead, get it off, say it. All right, here you go. Bloop. He loved playing with me. And I just be like, Lord, why would you have me over here? Anyway. Yeah, so I have to go shopping a little bit today because we need some press-ons, because we can't be in a campaign with our nails looking terrible. And I think I'm gonna wear my natural hair. I'm not sure yet. I have to see what is required of us. So yeah, that's all that's on my agenda today. The fitting and going to the store. Then we're going back to the crib. We're leaving the hotel today. Going back to my parents' house. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. I just wanted to pop in and chat really quickly. Yeah. What's up, gang? Happy Wednesday. We up bright and early. Way earlier than when I usually get up, because I don't get up till like 9 o'clock. It's currently going on, what, 9 o'clock, and I done left the house. So, yeah, that can tell you how long I've been up. I got booked for something really special. Can't really share too much details, because, you know, paperwork party happened. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all what I can and tell y'all what I can. But that ain't too much. So here I am on the way to work. Happy Wednesday. That's a beat by Mo. Period. 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 You see it. You see me. It's the fact that I didn't dye my sideburns. My hair is red and my sideburns is black. So as you can see here, I am home from my job that I had this morning. It went great. Like, amazing. Whole time I was a star. Y'all ain't know that, did y'all? Yeah, me either. Me either. But it was beautiful, and I can't wait for y'all to see it. Can't wait till I can really talk about it. Yeah. Hopefully that's soon. And I look fine. Period. We at Starters, gang.
Oh, the napkin done messed up the whole...
gang. You didn't get to lose that. You think I'm just about to be busting that down?
Well, I
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming for a surprise real nigga seminar. Cause we need that. But first, shots. Which one's which? Does it matter?
Doesn't matter. Cheers to real niggas.
One time for the real ones.
Not bad.
All right. Our quick 2 subjects. Number 1 being Michael B. Jordan is not corny. He's regular. Number 2 being you don't need to chase the bag to have a great career in music.
Sure don't.
This is a condensed real nigga seminar. Like this a quick one. So we gonna, what that girl on TikTok say, we gonna keep it black and we gonna keep it brief.
Keep it black and brief. So that means not backwards.
My 2 cents on the Michael B. Jordan madness. I too was thumbing a bitch who was trying to bully me back in the day and then thought they was gonna try to keep it cute in front of my face. So I'm with him on that. I stand with him, side to side. We are in that fight together. That man is regular as hell. I don't understand why we calling him corny. Why is people trying to act like they don't hold grudges in some way, shape, or form against people who did them wrong back in the day? If you not one of them people, then you just don't get it. The girls that get it, get it. I'm not mad at my boy.
No.
It is what it is.
Not at all. Because really, it's like, yep, it was trying to like make it seem like there was only one type of way to be as a man. And it's like, there's so many ways. Like you got a lot of people that's turned up like that, that'll beat down the block, all of that. You got those, then you got those who go to school. You got creatives like myself. You got people that are doctors. Like it's so many different types of black men. I don't know why y'all calling them corny. Like we in high school, bro. What is going on? Like this is life. Like people can be and do whatever they want. And I don't know what's corny about it. Because
You know what I'm
he's
saying?
doing
Like, I don't
better.
get the whole corny thing. Like, was them jokes he was telling on Saturday Night Live corny? Yeah.
Saturday
But
Night Live.
that don't make him corny. I don't.
That's
Whatever.
the
If
point.
that's your bag, then hop in that bitch and drive away. But
Unpopular opinion.
Unpopular opinion.
Disagree.
We disagree.
Disagree.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all these was basically 2 unpopular opinions. Secondly, as far as chasing the bag and in the music career, and honestly in any career, you only need so much money in your lifetime. Yeah, you can stack it up to set up next generations and next generations, but essentially, at what point do you stop chasing the bag and do you start enjoying your life and spending the bag?
Right. Spinning the bag.
You know, living in the bag. You know what I'm
Chasing
saying?
experiences.
Having more opportunities and experiences and things that you jump into than trying to chase the bag consistently until you croak. Like, I don't understand the obsession with hustle culture. Let's let that go. Can we leave that in the past?
It's lifestyle culture these days.
You know what I'm saying? You need to have a life, bro.
Like
Whether
your
that
life,
be
yeah.
traveling,
Right. There's so many things to do.
knitting, crocheting. It don't matter. You gotta do something other than chase that bag.
Right.
That money ain't going nowhere.
I know they make it, and that's why they make it seem like it's gonna go away one day.
Money
Like
ain't
one day
going
soon,
nowhere.
money is gonna the cash is not gonna be valuable. But listen, before you
But there's
even
still
see
gonna
that,
be money that you gotta spend.
that's it.
You know what I'm saying? So live your life, bro. Them bills gonna always be there.
You're gonna pay bills for that.
Them bills gonna always be there.
And it's something I have to learn firsthand. I used to be a bag chaser. Like, please, somebody, give me money, give me money, give me money. Pay me for what I do, pay me for what I do. And I felt like if I didn't get paid, I wasn't good at it. And that's when I knew I was too far into the bag. I I done zipped the bag up over myself. I'm not in the bag no more. I don't in the bag.
Suffocating in your bag.
Oh Lord! Like, let me out.
Moral of the story is use your own brain and make sure you spending that money just as much as you chasing. All right.
Sure.
Pay your bills, but don't let the bills run your life. Cause they gonna always be there, bro. You gonna always owe DTE and AT&T. They gonna always get their bag. Just come on, man, be for real.
That's it.
That's the check.
So
We got new scents.
yeah, I had to go see my boy Halal. Every time I go, he be like, "What are you gonna get for the missus?"
I get free gifts and I don't even be there.
Literally.
But I love halal. Send me stuff.
I'll be like, whatever you think is good. And now he knows this is called Wanderlust by Michael Kors.
Wanderlust. Yeah, he wrote that. If you go to the real oil plugs, they don't, you know,
They
they
don't
just
print. They
be
don't
writing
print. They
stuff on their oils.
I'm gonna open it for you. You see this? I usually have her smell it, but it's better to have it on the skin. Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh. That smells good.
That's good. It's
That's
like
a soft scent. I like
soft scent.
that.
It's soft, but it's lasts. Like it.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Wipes arm on chest.
Okay, there's one. I got a two. So let's see.
Yeah. What's the other one? Oh, that's the one I always wear.
Well, it's been a minute.
Givenchy. Or
No, this
Givenchy.
Creed. This Creed.
Oh, that's Creed Adventus.
Something like that. He wrote cream vanilla. Cream
Yeah, I think it's
vanilla.
the Adventus though.
You want to hear?
Yeah. No, not right in the middle. Put it on top, actually.
Yeah. There we go. I've had it.
Yeah.
That boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
That's
it
a
was-
man scent, but
If it, it worked.
I love it.
Let's see. Okay.
That's a nice shirt you got on, also.
Don't
A
box me.
purr,
Don't
purr.
box
A purr, purr. Purr, 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 purr. A classic. Don't box me in. Period.
Then we got the Givenchy gentleman.
That's for
For
you.
me. I'm gonna have her smell it.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's get what? Remember that? Classic. Classic.
Yeah. I don't know what that little pan out look like. Y'all know if it was tragic if y'all don't see it. If y'all see it, it wasn't as bad.
Right. All right, and then we got Baccarat. Listen.
We got this in the background, but don't listen to that. Yeah, I was talking louder than that. Don't hear that because I don't want them to flag me.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. What'd you say?
I got the Baccarat.
Baccarat.
Madison Francis.
We are not drunk, just so y'all know. Psych. So no. Not speak for yourself. You would never get this close to the camera.
To you.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Baccarat. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say.
A purr.
Right across the street from the Fisher Building.
Yep.
Loud Books. He got a look. You
gotta
gotta walk
look.
down some stairs.
You know what I'm saying? It's in the cranny right there
gotta
next to
walk
that
down
little
the stairs.
restaurant.
Every cent you can think of when you paying $400-500
Go get that oil. Boy, that
$7.
boy gonna last all day long.
all day. I'm trying to. I know y'all like the Baccarat. Me too. What that smell like?
You know what I'm saying? Go ahead
What that
and.
smell like?
That smells so good.
All right.
Goodness gracious. Go ahead and spend that money if you want to.
If you want to.
Go blow that bag if you want to.
you want to.
Because sometimes you need a little cute bottles for
You
your
do.
shelves
You
and
need the
stuff.
bottles.
But let me tell you something. Can you see me in this window? You can see my shadow. Let me tell you something. Go ahead and get you some oils, baby. I'm telling you.
It's coming out of Loud Books.
Save that little money.
So that's what it is.
A purr. Holla at your girl. And your boy. Spend it on me. Spend it on me. Oh, spend it. I like that song.
The way you sing it. I didn't like that. I was listening way more.
That's how she sing it. I like spend it on me. Spend it on me. I like spend it on me. Oh, spend it. You stuck in a holding pattern. Spin it on me. Spin it on me. Spin it on me. Ow!
They are beating like a mother.
Because you just fell on me. No. I'm a little baby. Leftovers from starters. I promise I just had on some capris. I promise I could have wore shorts yesterday. And here we are. Happy Friday. This is some bull.
JUPYTER!
That is crazy. Courtyard cupboard. Can y'all see how much snow is in my head? Probably not. But I'm full of snow. Just melting. What's good, gang? I went to go see my friend because I needed a re-up on makeup and whatnot. The Face Effects by Phoebe Scott, period. Y'all been seeing her on the vlog because she just celebrated her birthday and I was with her. She hooked me up. She hooked your girl up. She gave me a whole brush kit, y'all. Like, what did I do to deserve? Like, what? My girl is official. You better get with her. Because, what? Period. We love... Hello, camera. Work with me. Clear. That's all. That it is. Anyhow. Oh, and I got some lip products. Boom. Got your girl together real quick. We let her see it. I am going to be shooting some content with all of this makeup, so make sure y'all are following me on Instagram and TikTok. Period. Also, what today is, happy Sunday. I hope all is well. We're rounding out the end of the vlog. We are still at the Baronet. They might as well let us move in because we here all the time. But happy Sunday. I hope you all are doing well. I'm going to show y'all a little bit of stuff we do today. And then we going to wrap this thing on up for another week. Because, period. And as you can see, I'm feeling good, feeling great. How are you? Hope y'all have liked, commented, and subscribed. Because if not, what are you doing here? Why do you show up here every week and watch my content if you don't want to subscribe? Just join the family. I don't harass y'all. Just come on. Period.
Whenever it's her usual time, I think the usual time she come in. Oh, another lady.
Wow. Where we at? Don't even say it. You already know.
Already know.
Evidence of how wonky our weather is here. Yes, that is snow. And yes, those are ducks. Conditions are coming back. The sun is out. The meltdown has begun. And on the opposite side of the hotel, we have the moon. Well, hello. That's wild. But yeah, cool. And that's a wrap, gang. As always, thank y'all for tuning in. I hope you have enjoyed this week's vlog. I appreciate y'all for tapping in week after week, and we just gonna keep it going. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come join the gang. I mean, come on now. We trying to grow this family. So if you enjoy being over here, go tell your fam to tap in with the kid. I'll holler at y'all next time. As always, holla at your girl.